play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it.
Hi my loves, and welcome back to my channel. So today y'all, we will be working with celiehair. So thank you to celiehair for sponsoring today's video. This is also my first time ever working with this company, so I was so excited. So you guys, they sent me over this 5x5 lace closure. This wig is 180% density. This wig is 16 inches, I believe, or 18 inches, one of the two. I totally forgot, but they just sent me so many good stuff in the package, y'all. Wig caps, edge brush, comb, bobby pins, a bonnet, and some eyelashes. So let's get on into this wig, y'all. So I did go ahead, I did bleach the knots on this wig, and I also plucked it a little bit. I don't know, lately I've been forgetting to like pluck my laces for some reason, I don't know, but I did go ahead, I did pluck it, I did bleach the knots. And this wig came actually really long, you guys. Like I said, I think this was 18 inches. All the information will be in my description box down below, but this wig was definitely long, y'all. Like, it was so pretty. And when I was unboxing this hair, as you guys seen in the beginning clips, you guys, this hair came with so much just body and luster. It was so shiny, it was so soft. Like, honestly, y'all, this is probably like one of the best wigs I've ever gotten. Like, the quality of this hair was amazing. So I already knew that this install was going to come out fire, especially with these curls. So I'm just using my T3 curling iron to achieve some loose body wave curls, and I let this sit for, I think, overnight. I let these curls sit. So I did the back of my head one night, and then the next day I got up and then I took my curls down and I finished the closure part when it was installed on my head, because sometimes I struggle with like trying to do the back of my wigs when it's on my head, so I just find it easier to use my mannequin head.
No flicks, but the whole click snap. There's a whole lot of people in the house trying to smoke with a yak in your mouth.
So the next day, like I said, I did let these curls sit with some pins, and this is how like the back of the wig look. So now we're going to start beginning the install process, which is mainly the closure part. So we're going to be curling these pieces in the front, but first I'm just going to cut off this lace. And I totally forgot to mention, y'all, this install is completely glueless. Like, I did not use no glue for this install at all, like no glue at all. So I'm just going to part this wig because I already knew that I wanted to do a side part. So I'm just parting it on the side. But I was trying to figure out like how I wanted the side part to be. Like, I didn't know if I wanted to do like a little curve or just like a straight back, you know. I don't know. I'm like really indecisive sometimes when it comes to my wigs. But I'm just using my hot comb. This is the Andis hot comb. And I'm using my She Is Bomb wax stick. And I also wanted my like the side piece to kind of be like a bang kind of, so I was really putting like a lot of heat on the front piece of my hair because I wanted it to be like a bang with like loose body wave curls. Like, I already had the style in my head, y'all. I was like, I want to do some fire loose body wave curls with like a dramatic bang. So that's the look that I was going for with this wig. So after getting my parting situated, I'm going to go in now with my T3 curling iron, and I'm just going to curl these front pieces of my closure like I said before, because this is just easier for me to do. And also, if you guys are like me and you struggle sometimes with like styling the back of your head, I definitely would recommend styling it on a mannequin head first and then just doing the rest on your head. It just makes it so much easier. I'm definitely not a pro when it comes to curling my hair. I still struggle with curling my hair, but this is just what I do to help me curl my hair. Like, this is just what works for me. So basically what I do is I try to angle the curling wand downwards, but sometimes I don't even do that. Honestly, y'all, like sometimes I just be getting so confused. Honestly, curling your hair it can be really difficult. I'm not even gonna lie, like it can be really difficult. But if you guys like to see a curling in-depth video, I can definitely do that for y'all. Just give y'all some of my tips and tricks that works for me, and maybe it will work for you. So I'm just taking down my curls now, so that's what I'm doing. And also I was doing a TikTok at the same time, y'all. So if you guys have a TikTok, do not forget to follow me. My @name is llove.alannaxo, and I will have it linked in my description box down below, so you guys should go and check out that TikTok. So yeah, I'm just taking on these curls and these pins, and honestly y'all, when you let your curls sit overnight, you already know they're gonna come out fire, because you're letting the curls just get the chance to soak in like all that heat, and you're not like releasing the heat quickly, you know, you're letting it sit. So I don't know if that made any sense. When you let your curls sit overnight, they're just gonna come out fire, like no ifs, ands, or buts, honestly, y'all. So that's what I'm doing in these clips right here, and I was so excited. Like, I knew, y'all, like I said, when I unboxed this wig, I already knew this wig was going to be fire. Like, honestly, y'all, like, look at the luster of this wig. Like, it was so shiny, it was so pretty, it was so soft. Like, I loved it. So I'm just using this bedhead hairspray, and I totally forgot I had this hairspray. You can also use this to install your wigs as well. I used to use this before. I used to use Ebon. I'm just gonna spray that all around my hair, and then I'm gonna take my wide tooth comb and just brush out these curls a little bit. And I'm sorry y'all about the quality of these segments in the video. I don't know what happened, but my camera always tends to go like in and out, and it kind of looks cloudy, and I don't know. Anyway, so I'm just gonna go ahead again with my curling iron. I'm just trying to get my part a little more sleek and a little more flat. I was going for like a dramatic kind of like bang kind of situation in the front, so I'm really like putting a lot of heat in the front of my hair so it can give me that nice bumped look in the front. And honestly, it just brought the hair like all together, y'all. Like, it was so fire.
You won't break my soul. You won't break my soul. You won't break my soul. I'm telling everybody, 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 everybody. I just fell in love. I just quit my job. I'm gonna find no drive. Damn, they work me so damn hard. Work by night. Searching for love. We go up and down, lost and found, searching for love. Looking for something that lives inside me. Looking for something that lives inside me. You won't break my soul. 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 I'm telling everybody, everybody.
Alright y'all, so this is the finished product. I thank y'all so much for watching, and as always, if you guys would like to purchase this wig, do not forget to check my description box down below. And can we just talk about this wig, y'all? Like, look at the luster and the shine of these curls. Like, it is so pretty. Also, you guys will see some clips I inserted right here of the install to show y'all that it is completely glueless. Absolutely no glue and no spray. Thank y'all for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video.